Hi, this is 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing two products from The Fact. You can find these from their website and on Amazon. This one right here on the left is The Fact Natural Skin Toner, SFN 18. We'll get to why that's special in just a moment. And here we have the Fact Skincare, and this is the Anti-Wrinkle Cream with Brightening Agent. They both have nearly the same ingredients, and so some of those ingredients are, they actually have 7 types of peptides and 18 different plant extracts. That's for both the anti-wrinkle cream and the skin toner. I've been using both for about 3 weeks, and I can definitely tell a difference. The toner does a lot of work, and then this one right here does a pretty good job of keeping everything moist. So this is what this one looks like right here. So that's about 3.5 weeks of 2 people using it, so there's some left right there. Has a nice smell as well. It's not overpowering, it's just a little bit of a nice smell. And then this right here is the toner, and then you can dab a little bit on something and then apply it to your face. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to use. And like I said, I've been using it for about 3.5 weeks, and I can definitely notice a difference with both of these products. You can get them now from The Fact on Amazon. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.